Hi, it's Renee again.
You're on video.
Probably. Today's review is on a LED wiring harness. My husband would be so much better trying to explain this because I'm kind of clueless when it comes to this stuff.
Me too.
So I don't know why he's not here doing this.
Because he doesn't like being in videos?
Well, yeah.
What are you?
It's it's a wiring harness for an LED light. He's actually going to use it for an electric fan. He said something about an inline fuse, which I'm assuming is this in here is a fuse, or down at that end or something. There's an inline fuse in it somewhere. But it's got the wire on it to connect to your positive battery cable, and it also has this one here is a negative. The light, the little
Hold on. There you go. Lay down.
the little wire is a negative, or a ground, not negative. It's a ground. Oh, maybe that's the inline fuse. Well, don't open it.
Hey, it's supposed to open.
I know, but don't open it.
I can't open
Don't
it.
want to break it.
Yeah, it looks like a fuse.
Yeah, that would probably be the inline fuse, and it's got like a start button, an on-off button.
That's how it works.
With a sticky
Thingy.
pad for wherever you're going to stick it at.
It's all tangled.
Yeah, he's going to use it for the wiring, for the electric fan, but it's for a LED light. I'll place the link below the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Tag Aaron Franklin so that he can answer them. And I guess that's it for today. Have a great day.